plus Saturday, guys. Yan ang aming pinamalengke, guys. May bayam, may pechay na maliit, may lettuce na mahaba, may lettuce na bilog, may pancit, may sili, may pechay, may lotus roots, may corn, may taugay, may French beans, tokwa at mamoy. Mamoy or mamoy. Ko napabayaan. Di ko alam kung ano to.